Hi everyone, it's Queen B. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing problem on your motorcycle. I had this issue a while ago. Now I fixed that with a quick DIY hack, and I'm going to show you how to use this hack in this video. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I had this missing issue on this R15 V2 motorcycle. You can apply this on any bike. First, I need to remove this right side fairing on this bike. Now that's our spark plug, and you can see this spark plug cap on top. So, bike misses when it's spark outside through this cap. This cap gets faulty sometime after bike gets wet in the rain or when washing, or if it's old enough. So to fix this missing problem, you can just replace this cap with a new one or use this DIY hack that I used. For that, let's open this cap first. To open this cap, first pull it from spark plug, then use one hand to grab this cap cable and other hand to rotate the cap anti-clockwise to remove it from its cable. Now you can replace it, or if you want to use this DIY hack, then get some electric tape and wrap around this cap. That's it. Now put the cap in its cable as before by spinning it clockwise and put it on the spark plug as before. That's it. Hope it helps. See you in the next video, and comment if it's helped fix your problem. So, see you then.